Withstands road shock and vibration for optimal performance. Thermal management extends life and increase performance. Instant full power, not the slower light-up of incandescent bulbs. LED bulb fits and installs the same as your old bulb. White LED bulb, ideal for interior lighting for map, dome, trunk, cargo, and license plate. Fit type. Vehicle specific. SYLVANIA LED bulbs deliver a balanced combination of performance and value. Tuners and auto enthusiasts alike can replace their vehicle's incandescent lights with a bright and long-lasting LED bulb for a unique and modern look in a simple and cost-effective way. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect long-lasting white LED. I've had these before, and while more pricey than some other options on here, I can vouch for their longevity. I had one pair last 6 years as license plate lights with no issue. Also, they are not super extremely bright and give off a perfect white glow. Highly recommend.